Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Impossible Squid Game Roblox. This version demands extreme precision and quick thinking. You'll need to master the specific mechanics of each minigame, as they are significantly harder than standard versions. Pay close attention to patterns and develop a consistent strategy. Success comes from learning from every failure and adapting your approach. Let's dive into the core strategies you'll need. For red light, green light, timing is absolutely critical. Move in very short bursts when the doll is facing away and stop completely the instant it turns. Even a tiny movement will eliminate you. Practice quick taps on your movement keys rather than holding them down. This precision is key to navigating the increased difficulty and reaching the finish line safely. The glass bridge requires memorization or a very keen eye for subtle differences in the panels. If you can, observe others or try to remember the safe path. For tug-of-war, communication and synchronized effort with your team are vital. Pull together at the right moments to overpower the opposing team. Both games demand quick reactions and strategic thinking to survive the impossible challenges. Playing Impossible Squid Game Roblox is designed to be incredibly challenging, so don't get discouraged by frequent eliminations. Each attempt offers valuable lessons. Focus on improving your reaction time and understanding the subtle cues of each game. Persistence and a calm mindset are your greatest assets. Keep practicing, and you will eventually conquer these seemingly impossible trials. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.